In 1985, there was a need for a national information policy that was felt across. As such, the Department of Culture, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India appointed a committee in October 1985 under the leadership of a senior library scientist along with Professor D.P. Chattopadhyay as its chairman to prepare a draft document on the national policy on library and information systems. The objective of the national information policy was to create a set of decisions that the government has taken through appropriate laws and regulations in order to orient the harmonious development of an information transfer activity so as to satisfy the information needs of a country. The committee appointed had completed its assignment and had submitted the first draft to the government on May 31st, 1986. It is pertinent to observe that these were few of the certain steps that were taken across and towards dissemination of information. Yet other impediments that act across the implementing the Right to Information Act was also certain enactments such as that of the Atomic Energy Act of 1962. Pursuant to Section 18 of the Atomic Energy Act, the central government has the power to order the restriction of disclosure of any information which is regarding any document, drawing, photograph, whichever form which pertains to a plant that deals with atomic energy or the manner or operation of extraction of atomic energy and otherwise related thereto. Such provisions prevailing in the administrative practices as well as the legislative enactments created a hurdle for legislating the Right to Information Act. To what extent the right to information could extend to was something that had to be constructively divided and created. Given the particular instances where there were impediments and challenges to the implementation, the Government of India nonetheless proceeded to implement a legislation on the Right to Information Act. We will now look across the legislative course of developments that allowed for the strengthening of the Right to Information Act.